Dear fellow Kisii County residents and Kenyans at large, first and foremost, I send a goodwill message to all Kenyans from all walks of life. I pray that 2022, being an election year, we show maturity, we display tolerance by accommodating divergent views, knowing too well at the end of it all, Kenya must win by having all of us unite and grow our nation as peace-loving brothers and sisters. Secondly, I would like to thank all those that have supported me in my political journey. I promise to continue being resilient, honest, and accountable to my people, whom I serve with humility and distinction. For a long time, I have harbored an ambition to be the Kisii County Governor through the UDA party, where I was also the National Treasurer. There have since been developments that render my candidature through UDA party impossible. After considerable reflection and consultations with my people in Kisii County, national leaders, family and friends, my political future and ambitions must be sufficiently addressed, cannot be sufficiently addressed by the UDA party. I therefore immediately resign as a party member and as a treasurer. I continue talking to other political players with a view to finding political suitors that align with my vision for Kenya and that will respect the ethos of inclusivity by crafting a future that weaves a fabric that appreciates every Kenyan's dream and aspirations. As you can imagine, this has been such a heavy decision to make, as we must always allow the voice of people we seek to lead prevail over the above the personal ambitions, and that the voice seeks to be wanting a different direction from a path I'm currently on. The voice of the people is ultimately the voice of God. Finally, let us all be vigilant, for politics comes and goes, but we as a nation, must remain united to allow us usher in the golden age of our republic. God bless Kenya, God bless Kisii County, and I thank you all.